protagonist is called Sahana Mehra. And even when I follow a very organic process of writing where I go from the moment the character is born to her journey. And that at that very moment I realize it's only Kalki who can play this character. And after writing my script, I just approached her, and she took a long time to tell me yes. Almost about 5-6 months. But yes, when she came on board, we were very, very like sure that okay, now we have Sahana. Then for Karan's character, I just wanted a very normal sort of guy who we can connect with, who we can see and we can say, okay, this is a guy who is like next door. And that's when my friend, who has also done casting in my film, Neha Singh, she suggested you should meet Sumit. He's very good. And I just went to meet Sumit, and we had chai at his place. And the way we interacted, he just won me over. And I'm like, he's my Karan. This is what I'm looking for in my Karan. And I'm like, I want him. And yeah, and I quickly narrated my story to him, and I just felt that yes, he has liked the story, and the next day I'm like, just sign him up, I want them together. So that's how, yeah.
Hi, Kalki, my question is for you. I'm here. So as in the trailer, it was shown that your character was juggling between professional and personal life. So what do you think, what rules should be made for people, like for girls who get pregnant and who are also working?
Rules? I don't think there are rules. I think that, I mean, in terms of laws, I think that, you know, I think the film very much talks about how difficult it is for people who take maternity leave to come back to their work, for women. And, you know, I think partly that's because we don't have equal paternity leave. We don't see, culturally, we don't see men as being a part of the household as much, although I think that with time that's also changing. So that's about what this film is also about, the new generation where, you know, Sumit's character is like an advanced, open-minded husband who, you know, very happy to have his wife working and independent. But when it comes to these kind of pressures, who's actually going to look after the kid? Who's going to change the nappies? Who's going to do all that? So it really deals with those matters. And I think that there are no hard and fast rules. There are some people who are just better at that job, and other, you know, within a couple, you make your decisions. Like, I like to cook, but I don't like to take the trash, or I like to do this, or whatever. And you come up with your own balances. But yeah, in terms of laws, I would say that paternity leave is one thing that, you know, we could probably focus on. I don't know. There are many, many things, I'm sure.
Any more questions? All right, okay. Thank you so much for your questions. Can we have a quick photo session with the photographers, please? आप सब लोग chairs हटा देंगे. पहले कुछ pictures ऐसे लेते हैं, फिर राखी जी मैं चाहूँगी आप बाकी team को भी बुलाएं. So after the first few session of pictures. नहीं, आप अभी तो pictures लीजिए ना साथ में. राखी जी आपके बाकी जितने क्रू मेंबर्स हैं आप बुलाना चाहेंगे? टेक द माइक प्लीज. राखी जी माइक.
I'd like to call everyone, like I have a lot of people who have worked with me on this project, and I would like to call everyone. So yes, Rajiv, you have to come. Dr. Sagar, Puneet, Nihal, Dendu, Shriti, Neha. Where is Neha? Ankur, Girish ji, Sheila. Sheila, why you are hiding there? You have to be here. Vikram. Where is Vikram?
Yeah, some people come and
Zainab and Bijesh. Where are they? Oh.
Thank you so much. Please don't forget, 3rd of November is the date जब आप लोगों को थिएटर्स में जाकर के रिबन काटना है और रिबन फिल्म को सक्सेसफुल बनाना है. Because it does not really happen that we get movies so realistic in Bollywood. So give all your love and support to the film, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is Rangili Ruchi. I will see you guys soon at some other event, some other party. Till then, you guys take extreme care of yourself and have a great day.